Samira Dahiya and I'm a rider from India. I've been riding since 5 years and I've covered a lot of places across India. Uh, did a lot of traveling and touring. But here I am today in Gear and Ride to talk about something very special and a craziest ride that I did with my partner, and that was the fastest All India record ride, which we attempted in December. And we will talk about all the adventure, crazy stuff, how we prepared, and how was the ride today with you all.
Hi, I'm Praveen Ramakrishnan, a biker riding for 24 years. So we're here to talk about our All India fastest attempt that we did, covering 28 states as capitals and 6 UTs across India, covering 16,000 kilometers in 24 days and a few hours.
Who wakes up late and delays the ride?
Nobody was waking up late, but Praveen was taking almost like 45 minutes getting up.
She was delaying, changing music, susu karna.
No, no, no.
Once I start, there was no stop for me,
No.
like poncho destination, khatam.
No, nothing like that. He was the one who was delaying
I took time
every time.
to get ready.
Because he takes time to wear the helmet. Like, who wears the helmet so softly? Who keeps the bag so
I spoke
softly?
about ears, right? So my AGV helmet, I was pinching my ears if I don't wear it right.
My helmet
Because
was
of the
pinching too.
communicator. So
Yeah.
I had to ensure, I don't wear it over because it will pinch my ear. I had to slide and ensure my ears are the right
So
position.
these things really delay. So please, you have to
I
be very,
would
very
not
quick.
stop once I start. I would not take my helmet off. I would not take my gloves off. I would do everything sitting on the bike. So
Both of us. You can't say it was only.
she had to stop, slow down. There are times she totally disappeared, right? She's not even there again. 4 kilometer back.
So
She's
wrong.
changing music.
No.
I like seriously. Couldn't complain on the ride, but yeah.
No. There was nothing like that. But yeah, यही था.
और हर 50-100 किलोमीटर में सुसु ब्रेक
Weather change.
भाई इससे पूछो कौन सा फ्यूल बंक में कहाँ पे कौन सा लू अच्छा था ये बताइए.
I can. See, you should not. मैं बस ये बोलूँगी कि अपने कभी natural pressure आ रहा हो तो please
अरे कम
nature
पानी
call
पियो
को.
भाई, ride more.
No.
Have less electrolytes, less water, more electrolytes and ride fast.
Next question.
Food, something.
Food, I would
What
say.
just one word for food? Which was your favorite?
Snacks.
For snacks, yes. I would say if bun or chai chalega, that would be the best food. Avoid having anything
Heavy.
really spicy or really heavy because I think the first time we had a proper meal made us very uncomfortable. Both of us wanted to throw up because you're constantly riding 12 to 16 hours. So
Yeah.
also eat less, keep yourself hydrated. Don't drink too much water either. Have electrolytes, that replenish
Energy drink.
your energy.
Who is the messy one when it comes to
No
packing and
questions asked.
unpacking?
Sorry.
Please ask.
No.
Who's the messy one?
Who's the messy one?
When it comes to packing and unpacking the luggage.
I am very organized. I ensure stuff are placed and I don't have to even look for it. I know where it is.
This
This
is
madam, she
okay.
dumps everything and
No.
like, dude,
Okay,
मेरे
honestly,
socks किधर गए?
guys, I used this Guardian Gear bag for all the complete 24 days. I took my another tail bag which I didn't even open.
Exactly.
And yeah, I didn't
सब कुछ
open.
मुझे करना पड़ा because I am organized.
Honestly, okay, so we had this deal. So I told him that all the checks related to the motorcycle, you will do it. And my thing was to
Talking.
pack everything, do the documentation, and also after reaching in the room, Praveen, don't lie here.
I used to sleep. Yeah.
He used to sleep, and I was doing in 20 minutes. It was all my work to put all our phones, communicator, systems, and everything on charge, and then sleep after it. So I was the more organized. He was just following them. Yeah. While this ride, you are healing your own self because you are purifying your mind, you are purifying your thoughts, you are being very gentle, and you are looking forward not with an angry thought towards everybody. So wherever we stopped, the kind of love and support we got, matlab, there were areas where Praveen was like the hero, bhaiya, and I was not even looked at. Seriously, though they knew that I'm riding on another bike, but they were like giving him a lot of support, a lot of push and motivation to him. And there were times where I was given the first priority as a woman riding for so long and got one of our major crossing in Mizoram because of that. So where we didn't know anybody, people were doing work out of their comfort zone. Like this mechanic who never opened a KTM, never touched a KTM, sat with Praveen for 4 hours and opened his bike and got the welding done and then put it back. So and the whole village was there few were making negative comments saying अरे Royal Enfield चलाना चाहिए, ये बच्चे क्या क्या चलाते रहते हैं, and there are few who were coming and helping us in how the coolant should work. So these are small things happened which really, and the nature, oh god, I think riding in pandemic was one of the bless for us because we saw the real side of our nature. It was so green, even if it was dust over the road, we were really enjoying it.
And other aspect to heal the world was, I would say, we do a lot of social activities. We should stop doing social activities within a city. It's pointless. There are so many people reaching out. You should go to, like I spoke to her in Tripura. He used to travel, I think Kerala, a lot of places he stayed, Orissa maybe. So these people don't have any local work. उनको कुछ काम नहीं है. There's no employment available. And they don't have the money to start up anything by themselves. So if he can go and contribute to those guys, help them start up something on their own, highway, at least थोड़ा पैसे दे उनको, not expect anything back, but at least he can set up something for himself. Otherwise there is no work. He says maybe 2-3 हफ्ते में एक बार मिलता है, some road work को somewhere, so the municipality gets some $300-400, and there is no opportunity for employment.
Exactly.
So forget education, but at least you need to have some source of income, for it to be. Education is not about getting a degree, but to be self-aware, educated, so people can do stuff that is not legal as well.
Absolutely.
So it's very important that we contribute to such places, especially Northeast, where the entire Northeast is all across India.
Because of the pandemic.
Because they don't have any employment opportunities. So if we can go there, help set up something for themselves, do that themselves. Cities may not really required here.
Not
even
really
the dogs
required.
are overfed, they become fat.
So true.
So
no, actually going through our rides and all stuff, we can really go and look into those areas as well, because Northeast is one of the safest place to ride in the night, and it was actually kind of a sealed thing. A lot of people says that, but this time when we went, a few of our stretches, our friends told us not to go in the night time because there were a lot of robbery was happening. And when we stopped in this place and when we were talking to this guy, we could actually connect that why the robbery thing was happening. Because in pandemic, all those guys who were working outside, coming back home, there is nothing. They are hardly getting 10, मतलब 5 rupees में हम लोग चाय पी रहे थे, and 5 rupees में कुछ खा रहे थे, but it doesn't give them a good money, right? So अगर वहाँ पे robbery हो रहा है, it happening because of that, because these guys doesn't have money. So I think the social workers, the social people should go beyond this whole media and
movie stars have made people go here and there. They have truckload of money. Like Akshay Kumar is charging 135 crores. Dude, that's 100 crores is huge money. उससे 100 villages बन जाएंगे भाई. So contribute where you create employment. You don't have to give money free away. Don't give free stuff.
Sort of happiness they give. You reach there and this 10 kids took our picture in Sonmarg, and Praveen went and took some 10 chocolates and gave it to them, and they all were happy. और जिस शॉप से हमने चॉकलेट लिया, उन अंकल ने हमें फ्री में चाय पिलाया, एंड इज लाइक मैं आपको जाने ही नहीं दूंगा, दैट्स नमक का चाय ऑफ दैट प्लेस, you will never experience it. So through this ride, actually it wasn't only for the record, it started for that purpose, but we ended up collecting so much memory that it become a story. It's not just a ride, like it's a lifetime story now. Chalo, but he showed me this confidence, and he like, you just take the medicines, you get up in the morning, you tell me, and then we'll see. And because back of his mind, he was somewhere aware that my body, because of the way I was following the food pattern, I doing my yoga every day, he knew that my body will recover quickly, which I wasn't very much aware. But the morning when I woke up, and he looked at me and he said, कर लेगी. I had a like 50% pain, and I said, okay, I think I can. So at that day we rode till Gangtok, and that was enough for me to really accept the fact that the sort of yoga or asanas or pranayam or however you want to, whichever way works for you, I think it completely worked for myself. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for having us in Gear and Ride and letting us share our experience with all of you. Thank you, Manan and Adi, standing behind the camera, giving us questions, and also some really warm vibrations from there, saying it ki, okay, you guys did good. I think
thank you guys,
enjoyed.
thank you, support, keep riding, keep spreading the word, heal the word. I would say that's very, very important for this. So yes, thank you.
Rolling. Action.
Chill.
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 That was the mantra.
Yeah.
Energy bars.
Rapid fire है. आगे बोल. Next
कोई
बोल. Next
बोल.
बोल. Next बोल.
समोसा खाओ, चाय पियो, बस और कुछ नहीं.
अरे यार चाय तो पिला दो यार, तुम बुला लेते हो इंटरव्यू के लिए, चाय कौन पिलाएगा यार.